woke up before the kids. My voice sounds funny. I'm just recovering for like weeks of. Everyone's been sick. It's been terrible. Last night my nose is so stuffed I couldn't breathe through it at all. I could barely sleep. It was terrible. So I'm back into chess. So that's exciting. Let's do the puzzle of the day, and then we'll play one blitz game. Yeah, I had about almost a year where I was just very fed up with chess, very fed up with not improving. Um, yeah, just very caught up with life. So, is this a queen sack? That'd be fun. Oh yeah, this is the classic. I don't remember the name of the guy. You sack the queen, he takes our queen, check, and then knight here is actually mate. Or he could just give up a piece. So that's cool. Let me just show you guys the queen takes line. Oops. Yeah. Shebang. And that's mate. So let's check out the game. I wonder if the guy actually found it. He did find it. And it went on and he managed to win like a million moves later. Let's play one blitz game. I'm allowing myself a little blitz, but no 3-0, no bullet, just 5-0. I'm trying to play rapid, but the problem is my focus is not so good at rapid. But hopefully nobody wakes up while I'm playing this game. All right, we got a C3 Sicilian. This is what I play myself. Although I don't play it this way, I play a different line. Actually, this is the way I play. Damn. Let's see what this guy's got for me. Bishop here. Okay, so this is kind of lame. Yeah, I play like a gambit line. All right, these 2200s are not really that good on this site. A lot of them are like 1700 like USCF players who are just good at blitz. If I push and he can't even kick me. Oh. Yeah, this is good already. Isolated pawn for no reason. Development is equal. Yeah, I don't think you could say this bishop is better than this one. I mean, the dragon bishop is great. Alright, now he's putting this one in I don't think this move really makes a lot of sense. It's kind of a waste of time. Yeah, always where to put this bishop. If he pushes me, if he pushes me, I just take and then win pawn. Take. I lose this at the end, maybe, but I get my rook here. Yeah, it's blitz, so I can't really fully calculate everything, but okay, that's another way to defend this pawn. Yeah, this looks honestly pretty good. I think I'll play here, blockade, e6, potentially queen over here to attack. Two bishops, three sets of isolated pawns. But it's blitz, so I could screw up at any minute. Right, he's attacking here. If I push it, he takes the knight. Therefore, if I come here to defend, he forks me. The move, well, actually, no, a move like queen c1 is, no, I don't like queen c1 because he can put his rook there, although that's, I gotta do something. A move really slow. It's probably not going to change. Wait, what is wrong with queen c7 again? Nothing? I don't know why I was thinking of every move but the most obvious move. I think queen c7. Yeah, I'm not sure why that took me so long. So now I'm over a minute down on the clock. Okay. It's not really threatening anything. I really don't want to bring my knight off sides. Oops. What am I doing? Oh, fuck, so stupid. Now I have to, like... Yeah. Yeah, that's how a lot of my blitz games go. I like, get myself all fucked up, and then I have to, like, scramble and make, Oh, but now isn't his knight trapped? No, he just comes back. Okay, so I lost a pawn for no reason. And I think just this. Does this win the game? This wins the game. Embarrassing. Yeah, rook A, or either rook C1 wins the game. So that was really sad and tragic way to play chess. And he's not even seeing it. Oh god, this guy sucks. Wow. Alright, well, now I'm back in the game. I think his bullshit pawns compensate. Well, he's probably a little better now just because I don't have the two bishops anymore. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm fine. My hair's a mess. I'm gonna get cut tomorrow, or tomorrow or today. Almost Christmas, longest day of the year. England is very, very cold and dark. Well, it's actually not that cold. Like compared to New York, where I'm from, it's not that cold, but it's very dark. Okay, I have a minute left. I'm playing Bullet, and I'm talking about the weather, so that's not so good. So takes, and I win a piece. B4 is just losing a pawn. So I think I'm back in the driver's seat, although I'm giving him 2-to-1 odds on the clock. Rook's nicely placed on light squares. I mean, he could just play back here, but then I have the advantage because I'm just getting this nice juicy pawn. Trying to roll home, although that'll be a long way off with the knight here. So yeah, we'll analyze this real quick afterwards. Alright, that's one way to do it, but it doesn't actually help the problem because you're still going to lose a piece now. Because you got this under attack, this under attack. Okay, he finds an only move. And I have no time. I don't have that much time. But I gain most of my time back. If knight here, rook here is pretty nice, I think. If rook there, and this just losing. Oh, fuck. Stupid son of a bitch. God. But I'm still totally winning. But now I'm not going to win these pawns. Ugh. Gross. Oh, so dumb. So fucking dumb. I just play this right away and I've won. Oh my god! Wow. Chess sucks. Life sucks. Unbearably stupid of me. Unbearably. Oh. Yeah, I mean, he's got an outside pawn, so why not do that? Yeah, I'm fucking done. I'm done for. Run, Forrest. Ugh. Gross. 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 Alright, I'm tilted. I gotta play this guy one more game. This is so embarrassing. So tilted. So tilted. We're gonna play one more game. We can't just come back after a year of retirement and like be like, I'm a chess player now and ugh, disgusting. Oh, okay. That's actually something new I've been playing in the last year, 2 years. I just need to remember what I'm doing. Knight here and here. Am I supposed to kick this guy again? I think not yet. Oh, that's kind of stupid. He's just giving it to me. I don't think he has compensation. Huh. There's some lines where you play g4, f4, try to go for f5, but I don't think that's super prudent here because I got this pawn. I'm going to go for d4. I'm still going to go for d4. I'm going to play pawn here, knight here, but it seems not what the doctor ordered. Okay, surprising. I thought he'd try to castle queenside there. I think I can do this. And if he takes the, b pawn, he loses to here. Alright, so he's not castling queenside. He's going for this. Yeah, it's hard to talk and play. King f2 is tempting instead of castles, just to give myself some kind of threat there. I don't think I have to worry about any of these checks. Obviously my king's more exposed than it would be. Okay, that's a good move. That is a good move. But I'm still pawn up. Now this business won't work, so I may actually want to defend this pawn. And now his rook is stupid here. I want to play rook here, but yeah, why wouldn't I play rook here? Because I have a tempo. Yeah, I'm 2 minutes behind on the clock, so I can't really talk too much. But once again, I think I'm doing well. Okay, is this a problem? No, it's not. Oh, maybe better. Oh, yeah, better was takes. Yeah. But this still looks really good. Oh, actually, nice is knight here and then knight here. God, I wish there was a button to get rid of all arrows. Ah, there probably is a button to get rid of all arrows. But sadly, I'm unaware of it. Yeah, get out of my face! No! God. Alright, where's this guy going? Yeah, do I really want to play b3? Probably. I don't, but on the other hand, who cares if the dark squares are weak? Oh, he just resigned. Okay, that doesn't count because he just dropped his queen. See how it's hard to really... Did I really give my word I was going to play one game? I think I said I was going to play one game. But I wasn't like I'm absolutely 100% going to play one game. I'm like, let's play one game. I don't remember. It's all on camera. Yeah, I don't know. This doesn't look so good for him. Push here, maybe. Kind of looks garbagey. But this type of stuff makes me think, and thinking is not good in blitz. I mean, I'll just castle. I could push. Maybe pushing was better. Yeah, let's push now. This bishop's annoying because I can't really attack here because of it. Oh, right. I really want to sack a rook just for fun, but that's a bit stupid. So maybe I should have kicked this guy right away. Oh, I don't know. My dark squared bishop sucks anyway. Who cares? Gotta have a slight something or other. I really want to sack everything, but it's not so prudent. What does one do in this position exactly? Yeah, I wish I was castled queen side. That'd be great. I don't want to play g4 and then bring the bishop back here, but yeah, how do I improve? I could move the queen, but it doesn't really do anything. It just fucks up my pawns for no reason. Queen here to here. Oh, stop it. Stop it. He doesn't really have any ideas. I don't see any ideas by him. Well, queen to here would be stupid. Oh. Yeah, I just kind of want to... I don't know. I'm just getting off the back rank. Just getting off the back rank. Alright, here's this normal move. Oops. Again, I don't know about this long-winded queen inchworm business. I don't know what my idea is. And I have to be careful about bishop here, but it's not working for now. Here. Yeah. It's always nice when the guy beats himself, but on the other hand, it's not very satisfying to to win this kind of game because I didn't really do anything. Oh, right, that's true. I had forgotten about that. So actually, I'm not quite so clever after all. In fact, I'm decidedly unclever. Because after rook here, the bishop's lost, so that means I have to take with a pawn. And is my bishop still lost? Yeah. I'm just being such a smart aleck. I think I have recourse, though. I think... Oh, yeah. Now I feel clever again. Bishop takes, pawn takes. If rook tries to win the bishop, I come here. And I don't lose the piece. But there's probably a way for him to... okay. So yeah, I'm clever. My clever status has been restored. I'm not a idiot. At least not in this particular game. Yeah, sorry about the gross nose blowing. I've been so sick. I don't know. We got RSV. Maybe I still am an idiot. Oh no, I can't. This is covered. Okay, yeah, I still am. Yeah, that's true. I'm totally lost now. I am totally lost. Oh yeah, that was extra dumb, wasn't it? But I don't know. If you have a pawn, you have hope. Sure. Where there's a pawn, there's hope, and this bishop is a dummy. And as usual, I'm a minute behind on the clock. I mean, realistically, I have no hope. I just have this little meager pawn. Okay, he really wants to trade queens. On principle, you shouldn't do that, but on the other hand, I'm going to do it. Because I do think it allows me the most hope somehow. Maybe I should push right away, maybe. Forces him all the way back here, but I can't put my pawn here because I lose it. Yeah, and he's going back anyway. So now I'm going to have two passed pawns. Okay, so if I don't do anything, now I have to push. Otherwise, he's just playing bishop here and winning it. So, yeah, he played this really poorly. True. Yeah. Here, does that work? It does work. Yeah, it does. We can still keep fighting. But it's it's not going to work. He can take again with check. I go here. He kicks my rook, and I'm losing. Very sad. Very sad. See, this is where, when I used to play, I'll talk about my chess addiction a little. Like, if I would lose 2 or 3 5-minute games in a row, then I might play 3-minute games. Oh, is it my move? It is my move. And then if I would lose those 3-minute games, and then I would start playing bullet, and then I would play bullet for like 4 hours and waste my life away. There's really nothing to be done here. I should just resign. I'm wasting everybody's time. There's no move. But I'm gonna do one more. Hopefully the kids don't wake up. I mean, I was supposed to like do yoga off YouTube. I was supposed to do a lot of things. I really hate these like systems because I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, e5 I don't know at all. So So I'm going to play e6. True. Maybe e7. Is it here annoying? I mean, right now I'm just threatening to take. If he pushes, it just seems bad on principle. He releases all the tension. Somehow I don't think this was right. But I can't explain why. Because I'm not a famous grandmaster YouTuber. I'm just some guy in a cold apartment in England. It's actually not that cold. It was like in the teens Fahrenheit. Then snow came and it was a little warmer. Still in the like 20s and 30s. Now it's like high of 48 or 50 today. I mean, they do C here, but it's really hard to do the math on C. Pounds to kilograms at the gym is easy because you just like do multiplication, but Fahrenheit, Celsius, it's oh, for once I'm up on the clock. Look at this. So, all right, I'm not going to bullshit with you guys too much because I really need to win here. I'm tired. Like, okay, I won one game because the guy dropped his queen, but okay, you're just giving me a free pawn. I mean, sure, you're going to win it back here, but yeah, I'm just going to take because otherwise I'm getting isolated pawn. B5's not an option. Okay. So he takes back. He hits my bishop. I think I'm probably slightly worse here, but that's okay. Maybe more than slightly worse. Because, yeah, he has all development and I have nothing. Yeah, he's just hitting me left and right. But on the other hand, is that actually a good move? Because, oh no, this is defended. Yeah, he's got all his pieces out. See, this is why I don't like these openings, because I have no idea what's happening. Could win the bishop pair if he wins. I'm stuck with this chump. Yeah, or he can do that. Also probably good. Just bishop is so annoying. But do I really want to go on the rim to get rid of him? Not really. And if I move my knight, I'm losing. Ugh. Disgusting. I'm supposed to know how to play this game. Can't even push because his knight's on it, which wants to move to kill my queen anyway. Okay, now I'm let lower on the clock. Terrible situation for the good guys. So I want to play b6. Just to try to get some way out of here. It's ugly. Really ugly. And probably terrible, but knight here maybe. Yeah, it's probably a horrible move. Maybe knight e5. Might have to just give up my rook. Okay, so he's opting for development, which makes sense, but I think he probably had something incisive to like take my head off. But this might have been equally good. I mean, the computer will probably say he's like +3 or more here. Yeah, I gotta study these lines as black so I know what I'm doing. Because, I mean, he's not making unreasonable moves. He's making normal moves. It's just obviously probably 90% of players don't know it as well as e4 and d4. So, yeah, you can see this. Visually, this doesn't create a good impression. Okay, reasonable. But I don't think it's correct. But I mean, obviously he's still doing great, but I don't think it's quite right. I mean, at best, maybe he'll win a pawn, right? I gotta move. I gots to move. Yeah. I'm just moving fast now. Alright. To give up this square or to give up a pawn? I think I gotta do this. Ugly. Oh, yeah, there's that. Alright, so the guy finally won material and is killing me. Yeah, that was a rout. But I feel like I'm calmer than I used to be. I used to be just, I don't know. I mean, at the end of the day, it is just a game. Okay. Alright. Obviously, we don't want to trade queens. But I mean, with both of us having less than 2 minutes left, anything's possible. But realistically, I'm just done. Oops, yeah, I can't do that. Yeah, this is bad situations. And you can just play b4 or bishop here. Maybe we try for tricks. No, I can't even put my queen there. And I gotta move fast. I lose. All right, that was horrible. Guy wants a rematch. You have to give a rematch, otherwise you're just a jerk, right? Somehow this guy's beat me twice. All right, we don't give up. I don't know this d3 two knights line very well at all. I just play it because I used to play more attacking with the knight g5 line, but I wasn't happy with those results. To take or not to take, I don't know. Really gonna sack there? Take, queen takes. I mean, I have no pieces to defend. It just does not look right at all, though. I can't be like a coward and play king h2. Maybe now I can. Right here, maybe. I'm gonna play bishop here, pawn here. He wants to play f5, but I don't think this is so good. Maybe it is. Maybe he's just gonna steamroll me, but his king, he has a king too. Problem is, if he plays g5, I really want to play f3, but f3 against g5 looks horrible, so I'd have to play f4. I feel a lot better than yesterday, so that's good. Is he going to push f4? I don't think that's any good. Oh yeah, one thing. It's both cool and annoying. In England, you gotta turn the light on the wall. The sockets go on and off. So you could, yeah. Knight takes is obvious, but queen takes is probably not as good, but we have to look at it, no? Because we are hitting this pawn like 35 times. Yeah, and where's he going to move his knight? Yeah, I like this. Idea is we're hitting this pawn. G6 is not possible. Knight E8 is a little whack, although you could argue that this knight is equally stupid as the knight on E8, maybe more because the queen's in the way of operation. Yeah, or he could go there. But now, how about just bishop takes? Right? Because we are hitting the queen after all. And this guy. No. Yeah, okay, we just gotta move fast now so we don't lose. Alright, so this is good. It is good. Just get all the pieces to the party. This is loose. Cheap trick. I really don't want to block the rook. I'm not calculating anything because I don't have time for that. Oh, that's bad, right? All right, I got a minute. I'm giving time odds. Time odds for all. Yeah. So now we're in a winning rook endgame, but we still actually have to win it, right? Ah, you bitch. Fuck. Yeah, actually winning it, that's the hard part. I'm just giving a meaningless check because I gotta do something. I'm gonna try to come here. Um, should be winning. But 20 seconds is 20 seconds. Okay, I didn't think this through so much. At all, really? At all? Yep. Disgusting. LOL. Okay, so I'm not going to do another rematch. Let's analyze these games. Pretty bad. I have this whole list. My goal, let me show you my goal, is I'm like 20 games behind on analysis. But I'm trying to analyze every single game I play. Blitz, rapid, whatever. Alright. Well, how many did we play? 4? Oh, 5-0. Did we play 5? I think we played 5. Just very addictive, isn't it? Let's analyze, though. Was this white? We played as white. Oh, no, this one we played as black. Bach. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, we got a Sicilian. So, oh yeah. Better is this. Oh wait. Oh yeah, no, with the knight here, he obviously has to take my bishop c4. So with his move order, so this is great. Let's see what the computer says. Computer does like knight g4. Yeah. Oh, can I just take? How do I take d4? Oh, b6, that's cute. Look at this. Look at this. Fucking computers, man. Boom. This doesn't matter. Because, queen takes is not best. This. Oh yeah, because I'm just winning everything. And this is trapped. Crazy. But you can't play blitz like this. I mean, even most grandmasters can't play blitz like this. But it's cool to like put the ideas in your head. So yeah, bishop d4. But let's look at the other lines too. Is this knight trapped? Is that the idea? Let's just look at some basic lines. Okay, he's trying not to be trapped. But, yeah, obviously we can't look at all of this, but his king is weak. He's attacking my queen side. I'm attacking his everything. So that was cool. Instead, I just played... It's hard to play crazy fun tactics in blitz unless it's very obvious, because then you burn like 2 minutes checking out all the lines. And you can't really calculate in blitz, especially when you're like weak like me. All right, knight b6 was the move. Yeah, and instead I blundered here. Somehow knight e3 is better. And yeah, rook ac1 just kills me, but instead he lets me off the hook. And now I'm doing fine again. e5. ed. knight takes is the killer move. I guess because I'm threatening this. But e takes is okay. Oh yeah, knight takes is obviously better because I'm just winning piece and pawn. Huh. Computer just likes bishop. Well, computer likes these two equal. I would never play bishop e2. You gotta keep your pawn. Okay, yeah, I just have to accept that I'm gonna lose this guy and just take both of these. And now I have better pawns, better minor piece. And I should win. Instead, I did this, which, yeah, I should play f5. Oh yeah, and then somehow, terrible, embarrassing, pathetic. All right, but we learn, we're unafraid. Unafraid is important, because like, who cares? Who cares? It's just a game. But ironically, that's not really what I think. It's not that it's just a game. It's just like, it's just if you're gonna do something, like, might as well do it well. And like, you're playing a 5-minute game. You're not. Knight c3. I look at the Lee Chess games here, Lee Chess database, rather than the GM database, just because there's so many more. I don't know how many millions of Lee Chess games. Probably like tens of thousands every single day. Okay. So he has some compensation. Yeah, and castle queenside. Bishop e3, but I like just here. So yeah, he should have castled queenside. Now I'm winning again. Oh, and he can get away with this. Oh, right. Okay. So yeah, that type of stuff is a little bit risky with the bishop here. Knight takes, or bishop takes. Blockade. And I was pretty happy with this here. Let's see, my knight takes. This line is good. But if he takes to the queen, is it no longer good? Oh yeah, of course it's no longer good. Boom, and then boom. So, anyways. This gives away everything somehow, some way. But who wants to play bishop e3? I just came here. Why would I want to go back bishop e3? c3 is also fine. Yeah, bishop e3. It's hard to go back to where you were from because you want to like keep it coming. Oops. And b3 is the move. Oh, yeah, and then he just resigned. So this was the one where the guy just dropped his queen. But still, we shouldn't have played d4. All right. Scandinavian. All right, we got 3 more to analyze real quick. What was I? White this one. It was black the last one. So it's white the last one. So probably black this one. Oh no, it's white again. All right. We got a weird, like, not a perk. I don't know what this is. Engine likes g4 right away. Why? Queen e2. We're going to try to ram this, like, down his face. Is that it? Boom. Queen e3. Who plays queen e3? Queen e3. Oh, yeah. Huh. All right. Well, I'm going a little far afield. But against this weird lame duck like c6, d6, e6 stuff, sometimes I guess you got to be aggressive. Anyway, I just play normal moves. Evidently e5 is not where it's at. And we're like totally equal now. Still doing okay. Yeah, computer didn't like my little queen shuffle. Okay, but now I'm winning. Oh yeah, knight takes. When I played queen takes for some bizarre reason, I was like babbling and I took with a queen. And knight takes. I guess the idea is he can't. Well, there I get this bad boy, and oh yeah, here I also get this bad boy. So I'm not losing the bishop. So okay, queen takes was just a big dud. Oh. How do I not see moves like this? What's my deal? Yeah, he has to play queen a7. So I'm not losing the bishop. In fact, I'm still winning here. So I'm like, oh no, I'm losing. The rook's hanging, bro. Great. Okay. And here I thought I was clever because I thought I was winning this bishop, forgetting that he can just hit me. So I'm not quite very clever. And I'm just totally and utterly busted. But I don't think that I play super well. Okay, maybe his win was never in doubt at all. Yeah, I really don't think so. Rook a4 suggested. Maybe I kind of like this even better. Well, it's all the same. Yeah, there's no stopping this. So, okay, we got two more. So that actually could have been a really nice, win for me. It wouldn't have even been a nice win. It would have just been him, like, yeah. But that's how blitz goes. Below, like, 2,500 level, I guess. Not that I'm at, like, this level, like, the Elite Chess ratings are inflated by, like, 300 points. Anyways. Checks defense, that's called, evidently. Oh, okay, this one I just got proper trounced. I actually don't mind as much as I used to just getting proper trounced because you can learn a lot. Like, I just do not know the King's Indian attack or whatever this is. It'll say what it is. King's Indian attack, yeah. Yeah, this guy just rubbed me out. Sorry, maximize. So, yeah. Bishop e7, back to e7. He should even just take here. And I'm going back to e7 anyway. And yeah, in this crazy position with like all these pieces coming at me, this bishop's like a dummy. Yeah. Knight d5. Just give up a pawn. Okay, now it's like knight a5 more. Okay, that makes sense. Wait, does it make sense? I'm just losing the b pawn. At least it's active. It's trading off one of his super active pieces. Can't take here right now because his queen's hit, so oh, e5. And I'm alive. White's much better. I had a chance. I had a chance with knight d4 to get out of this pickle, and I'm actually better. So why is this move so good? Oh. Basic tactics. Wow, it's funny. He's actually losing a piece. But his position is so good that, why can't I just draw back? Oh, because of here. His position is just so good. Well, I have to give the piece back. And yeah, now we're like, this is obviously way better than what happens. 2 minor pieces left, and both of ours are equally good. It's probably equal. So I missed my chance. So yeah, this was a dud. I'm trying to survive. Yeah, I didn't like E4, E5. What was that? Oh yeah, I was talking about this one. And yeah, you know the computers. Well, it's not exactly telling me to sack my queen, but yeah, this is ugly. Yeah, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? But E4, okay, I have some hope again, but not with this. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Not too much commentary now. Sorry, my nose is running like a faucet. Did I ever have any chances whatsoever here? I didn't. Okay, we got one more game to look at. So the moral of the story is bishop d. Oh yeah, look how many times I moved the bishop. Okay, this is fine. Although even here, yeah, already the stats are really good for white. So I just gotta look at king defenses against king's Indian attack. It's like a respectable opening as much as e4, d4, and you just like, you can't call yourself a good player if you're just totally winging it against this opening. And last but not least, oh man, my nose is just starting to feel horrible again. I mean, I'll give myself an excuse that I'm a mouth breather today, but it's not really an excuse because that doesn't justify why I don't even know my basic openings. All right, so yeah, this also I should know a little better. I'm just making like basic moves that a 1200 can make. So yeah, moving back or taking equally good. Oh, already I could think about d4. Engine really doesn't like this. Just likes to play d4, which makes sense. Yeah, d4's already got a threat. And yeah, okay, d4. No, yeah, coming back here. What the hell is that? c4. d4 right away. I was like a little concerned about f4, f5 rather, but I mean that happened in the game anyway, so h2 would have been slightly better. Oh yeah, f3. Queen takes. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, this one I was totally winning, and I didn't have to. You always like earn a rush. You know what I mean when you're like in a pin like this. But there's no reason to be in a rush here. But instead, I just took the knight right away, which is obviously still completely winning. Yeah, obviously better. Why move the queen, though? Don't you want your pawn in here? Oh! Alright, instead what happened was... Yeah, if you're gonna, like... Why G6 instead of E6? But now we trade everything. And King F2 is obviously better than Rook F2, which I played. But now it's not as winning. This is like a weakness I have. I'm like, let myself go into these endgames. I mean, it's not really a weakness because this should be winning, but in a blitz game... yeah, here. But the game still goes on. Well, I guess not really. Oh yeah, and this defends. And, yeah, that should be game over. But instead I just gave him this pawn. And now it's equal according to the engine. Now I'm winning again. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Whoopsies. Yeah, this is obviously faster to get the pawns going. Yeah, and there's no A pawn. My guy's going to be faster. Instead, I did this for some reason. Now I got to, like, take 8 million years just to win this guy. Stupid. I mean, yeah. This is actually might be the blunder of the whole game. Not just taking here. Yeah. Yeah, now he's got the A pawn. I mean, yeah, this obviously still shouldn't be winning for him. But obviously pushing is just ridiculous. Just got to come here. Gets behind. Check first? I don't understand. Why not just get behind right away? Oh, okay. Now I get it. If he comes here, he's out of the way. And if he comes here, then at least he can play b5. Obviously, this looks pretty good for black because he's got the extra pawn. Anyway, instead, h7, what, WTF, mate. And, yeah. So, okay. So we learned stuff. And, I made like a sick YouTube video, but hey, we haven't had chess together on YouTube in a long time. So thanks for watching. And how do I stop this? So on my Chromebook, first video on my Chromebook, which has a built-in screen record feature, kind of cool. Check you later.